Hello guys, welcome to PageUp. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. Today we're going to show you how to start a YouTube channel with only stock footage. With that being said, let's get started. There are a lot of YouTube channels that already use only video stock footage to make their videos on YouTube. And right on this page is one of them. This channel is called Logscom. As you can see, they have over 3.8 million subscribers on their channel. And if you scroll through this channel, you will see that every video on this channel is made with stock footage videos. And this channel is monetized. So you are free to check this channel out on YouTube for yourself. So first, I am going to show you where to get this stock footage to use them in your videos. We have a lot of free website and paid website that you can get these videos from, but we are going to be looking at only the free ones. The free ones include Pexels.com. This website provides you with a lot of free video footage to use in your project for free. All you need to do is to search for a particular topic and download the video for yourself. So you can check out this website for yourself, Pexels.com. The next site is called Pixabay.com. This website also does the same thing, just like Pexels. All you need to do is to search for a topic and get the video for yourself. The next website is called viddizzy.com. This website also contains a lot of free video footage for you to choose from. All you need to do is to search and download the kind of video you are looking for. So now, let's assume that you have downloaded all the videos you need from these websites. The next thing is to get a video editor to edit the videos with. And today I am going to be showing you a free online video editor on this website called canva.com. So all you need to do is to go to this website and sign up, which is totally free. And once you are done, you will land on a page like this. Scroll down and then you will click on video right here. Let it load. And you will land on a page like this. As you can see, on the left hand side here, you can see templates, elements, upload, text, and more. So let's say you want to make a video on how to be happy. All you need to do is to either start with a template right here, or you can just use a blank template like this one, which we are going to use. So let's click on text and then choose the kind of text you want to use in the video as an intro. As you can see, there are a lot of text to choose from. Let's just choose this one right here. As you can see, all we need to do right now is to change the text into our own preferred text by just clicking on it and making the changes we want to see. As you can see, we have changed the text to how to be happy. So we can also change the background color by clicking up here. And as you can see, right on the left hand side, you can change between colors of your choice. For this video, let's stick with this blue. And again, we can also animate this text by just clicking up here and then clicking on animate right here. And right on the left hand side, we can choose the kind of animation we want for our text. As you can see, there are a lot of animation to choose from. So just check around and choose the one you are comfortable with. And once you are done, the next thing is to add videos. So let's say you want to change this particular background to a video, not this particular blue color. All you need to do is to click on upload right here and then click on upload media right up here. And then you can choose the video you just downloaded and put together. And once you are done, let it load. And once it's done, all you need to do is to click on the video and it will automatically appear on your video space right here. So all you need to do is to just refresh it and let it load properly. And then resize it to fit the video in the right format. And once you are done, you can come over here and press the play button. And as you can see, how to be happy So all you need to do next is to repeat the same step again and again by clicking on the plus button right here to add more text and more videos to explain the content you want to create better. And once you are done, you can come up here, right up here, and click on download, and you will see the options right here to download as an MP4 file, which is totally free. So all you need to do is to download the video and then use it for your content on YouTube. So guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next video.